Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 203. These documents, which are frequently accompanied with a bill of exchange, form the documents of title. If an advance against shipment is required, the documents of title, including the consular invoice, are forwarded to the London office of the bank. The advice should be marked shipping documents enclosed. If a bill of exchange is sent through the bank for collection, any special instructions as to the proceeds should be given. For instance, remit proceeds of bill to London or remit draft on Paris. Sometimes a charter party is employed, and for all these, a captain's receipt for documents is given. A shipper's prices may be free of general average or according to foreign general average. In all cases, risk must be approved by the underwriters, or they will not be responsible for the damage which may occur. In making a claim, the nature and cause of damage must be given, and there may be a case of total loss or constructive total loss. If salvage is necessary, the ship, freight, and cargo must each pay its own share of the salvage charges. Consignees may be written to by post with shipping documents enclosed. Full stop.